Hey everyone, it's Billy with Mark's Leisure Time Marine. Today we are taking a look at the all-new 2026 Mastercraft X24. Mastercraft completely redesigned the hull from the ground up for waves that are bigger, cleaner, and easier to customize. Built to outperform, the X24 blends performance with luxury. Coming in at 24 feet 3 inches long with a 102-inch beam, it seats up to 17 people, has an 86-gallon fuel tank, 4,050 pounds of ballast, and a dry weight of right around 7,200 pounds. We customized the exterior with a white and black hull with sharp black and gold highlights. It's a clean, modern look that stands out in the water. Under the hatch is the Ilmor 6.2-liter GDI engine. It delivers a solid 440 horsepower for strong, smooth performance. We upgraded the entire boat with SeaDek flooring. It's soft and comfortable while complementing the cool feel beach tan upholstery. At the transom, we added the optional Max audio speakers, so the sound carries great for your riders and completes the soundstage audio package. There's a walkway right through the transom, so getting to the step-up swim platform is no hassle. The transom lounge seats are versatile, large, and ergonomically designed. You can also fold them up to access your removable board bags, which stores boards securely and keeps everything organized. Up top, we've got the new Z9 tower. It's fully powered and raises or lowers right from the helm. We upgraded the tower with white sound pods for premium sound and added the XL clamping board racks. The Bimini provides plenty of shade and extra board storage both underneath and overhead. Moving into the cockpit, there's a ton of space. You'll find wireless charging throughout, heated seats for those cooler days, and a heater to keep everyone comfortable. You've got the RGB lighting package, smart storage compartments, Mastercraft branded cooler, and the onboard battery charger to keep everything powered and ready. The entire interior is filled with high-quality materials you're sure to appreciate. At the helm, the upgraded power seat adjusts easily for the driver. The dual screens run the MyDrive system, where you can set up surf profiles, control wave shapes, speed, and ballast. Everything you need is right there and super easy to use. The captain also has a wireless phone charger, glove box, and cup holder. We upgraded this boat with a stern thruster for precise handling in tight spots. For convenience, there's the upgraded 4-camera system giving you views from both the bow, tower, and transom. We also included extra lighting upgrades like docking lights and underwater lights to make nighttime boating and docking straightforward. The new frameless windshield gives you clean lines and unobstructed views for that open premium feel. Up in the bow, the new design opens up a lot of room for seating and hanging out. There's even more storage under the seats for gear, coolers, or whatever else you bring along. It all ties together to make the boat feel spacious and well thought out. That's the walkthrough on this loaded 2026 X24. See us in the Finger Lakes for a private viewing, subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.